How to recover Bitget wallet account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In this video, we will learn how to recover your Bitget wallet if it's been deleted, you have changed your phone or your device is damaged. So let's get started. First of all, go to Play Store or App Store. Search for Bitget wallet and install the app. Open the app after installation. On the welcome screen, click Import Wallet. Create a new 6-digit wallet PIN. Enter the double word backup phrase you saved when creating the wallet. You may have written it down or taken a screenshot. Never share this phrase with anyone as the key to your wallet. Now confirm the backup phrase and wait for the wallet to restore. About 5 seconds you need to wait, and once restored, you can access funds and use the wallet as usual. If you don't have a backup, your wallet cannot be recovered. Always keep your backup safe. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.